This token right here has been sending. I made a video about it a few hours ago. If you took action, you probably would have seen 2 or 3x by now. As at the time of filming this video, the market cap is at 65 million US dollars. Why Pepe is still at 674 million US dollars. Trading at this price here, why Pepe is also trading at this price right here. If this token right here flips Pepe, that's gonna be 10x your investment as at the time of making this video, 10.3x your investment, and it's gonna be trading at this price right here. Is this possible? Like I would always say, anything is possible in crypto. In fact, nobody believed this token would have gotten this far. Another thing that is also possible is that you could lose your money. Okay, so make sure you do personal research before you invest in any token out there. So if you want to see the video I made a few hours ago about this token to understand what it's all about, it's going to be linked in the description. Continuing the comparison between the RFD token and the Pepe token, you can see that in the past 24 hours, this token has done 65 million US dollars in trading volume. This is absolutely incredible. Looking here, you can see it has had 5,000 buys, more than 5,000 buys and more than 3,000 sales in the past 24 hours. And what about Pepe? You can see right here in the past 24 hours, just 1.72 million US dollars. You can see that the figures are absolutely amazing. 65 million US dollars against 1.72 million US dollars of the Pepe token in the past 24 hours is something else. And as we can see here, Pepe has had about 400 buys in the past 24 hours and about 483 sales in the past 24 hours. Close figures, and that's why if we come here, you can see it's been pretty much ranging, right? Not shooting up, not really going down. Let's see what is going to happen. And by the way, I'm not trying to downplay what Pepe could do. This token right here could flip Shib, could flip Doge. I actually did a video about it when it was at around 100 million US dollars, saying it was gonna flip Floki and flip Shib, and it did hit 2 billion US dollars in market cap. Okay, just making some comparisons and showing you that the Refund token has the ability to do exactly what the Pepe token has done, who is doing. And if we compare the liquidity pool, we can see that Pepe has about 10.61 million US dollars in its pool. And what about the Refund token? We can see that the liquidity pool of the Refund token is at 14 million US dollars, about 4 million US dollars above that of the Pepe token. And if we look at the charts here, we can see what has been happening. It went as high as this point, then early investors started taking profits, and as you can see right here, it pretty much looks like it is reversing for another all-time high. And checking the blockchain, we can see that it now has about 8,000 holders. People are rushing into this project, and I see this project hitting $1 billion in no time from now. You know why? Because people are already making a lot of money from the Refund token, and investors love where the money is. Look at this guy here, made 380 ETH, which is about 688,000 US dollars in less than 2 days. What did they buy? They simply spent 55 ETH, which is about 100,000 US dollars in the Refund token, and sold for 435 ETH. That's about 788k. If we take out the initial investment of about 100k, that's 688,000 US dollars. Can you imagine that? And another investor that just had $25,000 in their wallet just 3 days ago now has about 1.3 million US dollars. $25,000 turned 1.3 million US dollars. Do you know what they bought? The Refund token. Of course, you can see the wallet right here. And also, as you can see right here, exchanges are beginning to list this token. As we can see right here, you can now buy this token on the get.io exchange, on this exchange, on this one, on this one. More exchanges are coming, and the peak of all of this is going to be when Binance begins to talk about listing this token, because Binance loves volume. When a token attracts more volume, Binance would always want to come in. That was why they listed the Pepe token, because they saw the volume of the transactions coming in, and that's exactly what the Refund token is doing. And on Twitter, we can see that it is growing as at the time of making this video, close to 30,000 followers. So ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Nothing in my video is financial advice. Make sure you make your own research before parting with your money. Okay, this is it for this video. This brings our bees, and it's your guy Ken signing off.